Let the river take my name, wash away the guilt and shame. Let the forest be my guide, where my weary soul can hide. When the final shadow falls and the silent mountain calls, let the wind just carry me